Hi, I'm Tiffany Johannes with Remax Executive and Charlotte Home Experts. Just like everyone else, you're probably wondering what on earth is happening in our market today. If you listen to the media, it's all over the board. It's crashing. Housing is not going to be the same ever. You can get a great deal. The interest rates are mind-blowing. Well, some of those things are true, but in our Charlotte market, you need to be paying attention to the hyper-local details. We have grown our equity in our market 54% if you owned a home back in 2020, January. 54%. So if you were going to sell your home, yes, the market has softened a little bit, but it's still a seller's market. And what that means is you're going to make the most amount of money you've made on your home in years by selling. So don't think that you can't sell your home if you want to sell your home today. Second, interest rates. Yes, they have doubled, but they are still average compared to where we've been in a 50-year trend when you look at it. And in our market, oftentimes we're seeing sellers offer some concessions to help you buy down that rate to make it more doable in the foreseeable future until rates go back down and you can refinance. If you think about it, your rent is going to go up each year, but if you have a fixed mortgage rate, you know what you're going to be paying. So in the short term, if you can afford your mortgage, know that you will be able to refinance in the next couple of years and get a much better rate that's much more sustainable for you. Then finally, tanking of the economy. Well, housing market, we still have a shortage of over 10,000 homes in the Charlotte market. So what that means is, although we had like very limited inventory, we still don't have a great inventory even though it's going up. So houses cannot go down drastically if the inventory isn't to where it needs to be and we still have the buyer demand. So what I would say is all the economists, Dr. Lawrence Yun, Dr. Tu, they're all saying maybe a 5% variable over the next year. It's just going to normalize. You can't sustain 25% growth year over year. So it might be more like 5% or 2 or 3%. But that's actually probably a pretty good thing for the cooling off of the economy. It's not going to be a drop of 20 to 30% based on what we see today. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, it's doable. There are ways to do it. You just need to talk to your expert advisor to have them help guide you through the process to make sure it makes sense for you. I'm Tiffany Johannes with Remax Executive and Charlotte Home Experts. Thanks for your time today.